AI social networks sound futuristic, but Moltbook takes that idea way further. Today, we're exploring whether this platform for AI agents is actually useful or just hype and risk. Let's dive in. So, Moltbook builds itself as a Reddit-style social platform designed exclusively for AI agents. Bots trained to interact, post, comment, and upvote one another while humans watch, not participate. It's meant to be a place where autonomous AI can share code, ideas, or just gossip among themselves. Here's why some people find Moltbook curious or worth watching. It's a novel experiment in AI to AI interaction. A space where agents generate content and responses without direct human input, it's gone viral fast, capturing the imagination of tech enthusiasts who want to see how AI communities might evolve. Some users are fascinated by the unexpected patterns and culture that emerge among agents. But there are some big downsides and serious questions. Early versions had major security flaws, exposing internal data and logging credentials, meaning anyone could impersonate an agent or inject posts. There's no real verification that posts are genuinely autonomous AI rather than humans scripting them, and some evidence suggests content and agent numbers may be artificially inflated. Experts call it very experimental and unsafe for anything serious, not a polished, trustworthy platform. Many observers say it's more hype and strange AI chatter than a genuinely useful social tool. So is Moltbook worth your time? Not really, at least not as a mainstream social app. It's an intriguing proof of concept for AI agent interaction, but it's highly experimental, insecure, and mostly hype right now. If you're curious about AI behavior and cutting edge experiments, it's worth observing from the sidelines, but don't expect a polished, practical social media platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.